Most revered Swami Lokeshwarananda Ji Maharaj, as the secretary of the Ramakrishna Mission Institute of Culture, Kolkata, Golpark, from 1975 to till he left his body in 31st December 1998, he was presiding over all the activities of the institute and was editing the famous publication Bulletin of the Ramakrishna Mission Institute of Culture, and as the editor he was writing the first article. The title of the chapter was Observations. These essays, each brief and self-contained, were topical and thought-provoking and aroused much interest among the reading public when they first appeared. I am now reading from one of such articles as it appeared in the bulletin. The title was With Charity for All. Abraham Lincoln was a man who could rightly claim that he did not preach what he himself did not or could not practice. There is nothing on record to suggest he refused to show his natural charitable disposition in the case of one who was not in agreement with him or was hostile to him. He, in fact, wished well of everybody, known or unknown, friend or foe. This was not merely a principle with him, this was part of his nature, a characteristic. A really charitable person is charitable always, in all circumstances, and to all men and women. What is it that makes a man extend charity to everybody, irrespective of country or creed, irrespective of everything? Friendship and goodwill for everybody, never mind who he or she is or what sort of person he or she is. This is an ideal one, man. This is an ideal one can live up to only when one has the conviction that there is a basic unity underlying all the differences that characterize mankind. Not only that, one has to have also the feeling that man is basically good. If man is sometimes bad, it is often because of his circumstances. He is bad in spite of himself, circumstances forcing him to do a thing he does not like. And if he is bad, it is not that he is always bad. It is a temporary lapse, and he can certainly avoid repetition of such lapses with a little determination and effort. You must have this kind of optimistic view about every individual. Otherwise, you cannot be charitable to him unless you have some love and respect for the person you are helping. Your charity is no charity. It is a mockery. It is an insult. Above all, you have to have the feeling that in helping others, you are in fact helping yourself. In extending your hand of friendship, you are bringing others closer to yourself. You are as if becoming one with them. In the ultimate, nobody is an isolated person. We are all together, interrelated. We are a single entity. A great man is great not because of his scholarship, political power, or wealth. He is great if he has a great heart, if he is able to love everybody equally. A great man, as Hinduism visualizes, if Samodarshi, sees all good and bad, big and small as the same. Only a Samodarshi can be charitable to all to the same extent. Everyone has his own idea of charity. With most people, charity means helping people of the same community, the same country at the most. This is no charity. This is selfishness on a larger scale. This only intensifies exclusiveness, making the barriers that divide mankind stronger. A charity which divides is dangerous. If your charity is for your community only, you indirectly create rivalry between that community and other communities in the same society. Help that community to acquire power to hurt other communities less fortunate. In other words, you sow seeds of discord in national life. Real charity is charity for all, making no discrimination based on country, language, or creed. A truly charitable man is everybody's friend and well-wisher. Industrial civilization has brought in its wake material prosperity for some nations. Other nations are still below the poverty line or barely above it. This discrepancy is causing tension, even conflicts among the nations. When a large segment of the human population is unhappy, can the prosperous nations merely look on? Can charity be practiced on the international plane? It is true that it is sometimes practiced, but more often than not, it is niggardly, and worse, strings are attached to it. That is to say, it is selfish charity, which is no charity at all. Where there is love and goodwill, there is no room for selfishness. Om Sri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.